Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to scan available Wi-Fi network with ESP32 board. Let us see. I will go to File and Example and click on Wi-Fi, and here is Wi-Fi scan. This is Wi-Fi scan code and click on Upload button. Uploading done, and I will open here serial monitor and I will reboot. Okay, here is two network is available, TP-Link and Barun. Yeah, three network is available. Five network is available. In my area there is a 5 Wi-Fi network available. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this session. Please like, comment and share with your friend. Thanks for watching.